Hi team, today we will take you through some simple steps to record a secondary visit and take a secondary order. For recording a secondary visit, you need to first go to the menu tab on the top right by clicking on the three lines. From here you should go to secondary. Under secondary you will see all the retail outlets being visited by you under your beat. Please note that for now there is only a single beat mapped to each salesperson with his name. For example, for Mr. Nityanand, the beat is Nityanand Singh beat. As and when we add more beats in conjunction with your discussion with your managers, you will be able to see multiple beats and each retail outlet will be mapped to one or more beats. From here you can select the store you are visiting through the search option or through generally scrolling down. So now I have selected Lakshmi Traders. As soon as I select the retailer, a pop-up will come asking me to select the distributor. Please note that my primary distributor, that is Raipur Electrical Agencies in this case, will always be mapped by default. In case you are supplying the retailer from another distributor in case of stock unavailability at the primary distributor, or in the case of another category being serviced by another distributor, you can simply select another distributor. However, please ensure that you have proper approval from the distributor before you proceed. For now, I will just click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, you will enter the information screen of your retail outlet. This is very similar to the primary information screen for a distributor. The steps that follow are also very similar. You need to click on the plus button on the bottom right and start your call. Once you start your call, you can take an order, take a sales return, collect any market POSM requirements, any competitor information at the store, or you can straight away go to summary. Now it is very important to note one thing, that in all cases whenever we are visiting a retail outlet, we should click on the start call button and complete the summary, even if there is no order or if there is no activity conducted during that visit. It is very important to do so because this will help us in ensuring that your time during the visits is optimized. So in this case, for example, I have visited Lakshmi Traders, but I have not taken any order or any return or done any other activity. I can select a reason for no order, for example, not interested, and click on the next. Here, after that, I can take any collection information from that retailer to my distributor. Please note that if you are not conducting any collection related activity, please disregard this particular screen and go straight to the collection summary and click on next. Here you can just enter your sign and submit. As soon as it gives you the option to submit, you can enter the email ID of your distributor. This order will go to your distributor as soon as you enter your email ID. Now, this is one important thing that we have included in your production login, is that you can edit the price of any SKU while taking an order. So for example, if you go to the same store and you start your call, here along with the units, you will also be able to enter the prices. Once your visit gets completed, your retail outlet will turn into blue, showing that you have visited the outlet today. Hope this simple tutorial was helpful.